Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring USDC from your Ledger Nano X to a Trezor wallet. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, whether you're switching devices for better security or just organizing your portfolio. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X with USDC already in it, a Trezor wallet connected to your computer, and the latest versions of their respective apps or software. Always double-check that your devices are updated to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X and open the Ethereum app, since USDC is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Navigate to your USDC balance in the Ledger Live app. Next, on your Trezor device, connect it to your computer and open the Trezor suite. Go to the Wallet section and select the account where you want to receive the USDC. Copy the receiving address. Be extra careful here, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back on your Ledger, initiate the transfer. In Ledger Live, select Send for USDC, paste the Trezor address you copied, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any gas fees. Remember, in 2025, network fees might fluctuate, so check current rates to minimize costs. Once you're happy with the details, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by physically pressing the buttons. Never do this on a computer to keep things secure. Hit send, and watch the magic happen. The transfer should take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. After it's done, verify the USDC has arrived in your Trezor wallet by checking the balance. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip: always use a hardware wallet for sensitive transfers like this to protect against hacks. And if you run into any issues, reach out to the official support for Ledger or Trezor. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.